Walking it down. That's a walking dead dog.
So,
This is the monster Scooby. Scooby! We're going to see if we can walk this dog. Apparently she pulls. I'm pretty sure we can do this with a dog pack. What's the bet going to be if I can do it?
I honestly don't believe you'll be able to do it because as long as we've had her,
Yeah,
she's always pulled. Always.
it's going to be a good challenge.
What do you reckon, Charlie?
You reckon she's going to pull?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you think I can walk her without pulling?
No.
There we go. All right, let's see how she goes on a regular walk.
Sit. Sit. No. Sit. Come here, sit.
There we go. Not a lot of fun. Can you ever do anything else while you walk her?
We just got to focus on walking her.
Notice the way she's normally going.
So choking herself is normal. Okay. Walking with Scooby. She's got a bit of a pull in her.
Standard walk with Scooby.
Yeah. She drags up the hill, so that's a bonus, I guess.
As you can tell, she's very excited. Lots of dogs around, lots of smells around, and a clear desire to just take off when she wants. Now, I'm going to try something. Now, I've got shorter leash, and we've got a training collar, which we're going to use instead. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to try and correct or do anything, but walk the way I want to walk and let her see how the dog pack works. So, I'm going to swap. And let's see how we go.
I don't think this will work.
It's going to be hard, isn't it?
It does like Scooby.
Yeah. She's hard because she pulls, doesn't she?
Not like that for heading off.
No.
How am I going so far?
Look. She's actually, she's actually not pulling as much.
No, she's still trying to do that whole, no, I want to go this way.
I think seriously, once she gets used to it and keeps going, because she's not pulling.
No time, promise. And the fact that you can have it.
Do you reckon you can walk down past, like, off?
Hey. Going that way. Up.
Alex and Scooby maiden voyage with the dog pack. Now it's been what, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
And we're just noticing the difference. So she's able to walk the way she wants. Scooby's a lot calmer and walking by her side. Is she paying more attention?
Feels funny.
Not used to it.
Who's going to get used to it, the dog or me?
You.
She's actually looking, you can see, she's looking to see what I'm doing or what my feet
Yeah.
are doing more than...
Oops. I don't think she's puffing as much.
No, she's not gagging, doing the whatever that sound is she makes.
What do you reckon, G?
I think she is a lot better.
Well, you're used to her pulling, right?
I'm used to working
So you
on
know-
her arm muscles.
You know,
Yeah.
bad Scooby.
No, she's much calmer as well.
Yeah.
Usually she just pulls and there's nothing you could do and the walk is just not enjoyable. But at least now you can just walk with her beside you and she's getting it.
Just walk straight past a playground. No problemos. See, because she's got to focus so much on whoever's walking her, she can afford to ignore the rest of the things going on.